Hey Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. This reading is for you. So it appears that you're coming out of a time of a lot of mental turmoil. You know, something was really stressing you out to the point where you were burnt out. And I feel like you're at the tail end of what actually was upsetting you. You know, maybe you felt like you had to compete with others and it led to nowhere in some cases. It was wearing you out. It was literally having an effect on your mental and emotional health. And you may have felt to yourself like, is there any point in trying to do this anymore? You know, is there any point in even trying to... It's like you're trying to fight for something. Now, for some of you, this could simply mean that there were other people competing with you. And there's something around you giving up the fight, but not giving up the fight in a sense whereby you're allowing others to win. You gave up the fight for your peace. It's almost as if you felt like, okay, take it, whatever, I don't care. So you sacrificed whatever this fight was for your peace. So indirectly, you won. You won this competition. For some of you, this does actually indicate that you will win a competition. So say, for instance, you are an athlete. Say, for instance, you work in sales. You could possibly get the most sales at work from now until the next 5 weeks or within the next 5 hours, whatever the case is, right? You are going to beat off all adversaries. You're going to win. You're going to become triumphant in something. For others of you, you're going to let something go because it's causing you too much stress. It was invoking some type of fear within you. And this fear, I feel for some of you, was in regards to, especially like if you're an athlete or you work in sales, etc. Maybe you felt like you needed to make a certain amount of money because you needed to pay for something at a specific deadline. So this could also represent that you had a lot of inner turmoil. There was a lot of fears, and you were able, or you are going to be able, to overcome these fears and break free. This may have something to do with your home. Whatever the situation was, you're overcoming it, but it did cause a lot of anxiety. Or if you're going through that now, the situation now, Spirit is saying you are going to actually overcome this situation, and you are actually going to succeed in whatever it is that you want. Whether that means you're going to win a competition, whether that means you are going to get the most sales at work, whether that means you're going to get money to do something. You know, some of you may want to travel, and you may have needed a certain amount of money before a certain deadline so that you can travel to see your actual family. And that could be the thing as well. Some of you are going to be traveling to see your family. Also picked up in this reading that some of you are going to be breaking free from your birth family and connecting more with your soul tribe. That could have been the thing. Maybe you and your family are not getting on, and this was very disheartening for you, and you are at the tail end of wrapping things up. Maybe some of you are moving as well. There's going to be a move. Some of you could be moving to another country, moving to another town, but more so country. Some of you are actually going to be moving because you're going to university, and you're going to be staying on the grounds of the university. So it's bringing up a lot of fears, especially in regards to leaving your mother, is what I'm picking up right now. And you have been going through a lot of inner turmoil. So there's a lot going on. It's a very emotional reading for you personally, because I feel like you've been going through a lot. And for some of you, you have not been getting on with your family. So you're going to be leaving your birth family, but then you will find that you connect more with other people that are from different cultures, or they've had a different background than you, and they may feel more like family than your actual family. So some of you could actually be moving home because you're not getting on with your parents, with your family. And we have ground yourself. Yeah, I feel like Spirit is urging you to ground yourself, or you will be going towards a more grounded energy, because you just felt like it was fight or flight. You may have felt like very all over the place. You may have been very snappy. It could have caused a lot of arguments, and it wasn't good. And I feel for some of you, yeah, you're going to definitely be moving. You're coming out of a very confusing time, or if you feel confused about the situation, things don't seem clear, things will become more clearer once you ground yourself. Because you may have felt like you were the victim, and for some of you, someone's facade, someone's mask may have slipped. You may have found out some type of family secret that made you get extremely upset, that made you feel like, I need to get that out of here. And it may have something to do with the mother for some of you. For others of you, I feel like you're breaking free, or you will feel more freer in the future. And there is indication of a new home move. There's indication of, maybe getting on with your family, because maybe you're not getting on with your family now, but in the future you will be getting on with your family. And there's indication of a holiday. So Spirit is basically saying that whatever you're going through right now, you will overcome this. If you are doing a competition, you will beat off all adversaries. But you need to take care of yourself. You need to ground yourself, spend time in nature if you can, meditate. And if you do feel like a victim, then don't be around people that make you feel in this way. And if you are a victim of anything, i.e. some type of, maybe trauma, do see a counselor and discuss further with the counselor. Or if you feel like this is a situation whereby you have to get the authorities involved, then by all means do what you feel is necessary. Because some type of realization is going to come forth which may actually trigger you, or it has done so already. Maybe you feel like you didn't get the right backing that you desire, that you deserve. Maybe people turned their back on you, and this makes you feel like a victim. But Spirit is saying you will connect to your true soul tribe, regardless of the fact if that is the case. So please take care of yourself, Sagittarius. A very healing time for you. I'll speak to you soon. Peace out.